Family pressure is something that many of us have experienced at some point in our lives. Family pressure, whether it is pressure to conform to certain expectations, to follow a particular path, or to make certain life choices, family pressure can be overwhelming and can leave us feeling trapped and lost. But fear not, my dear friends, because there are ways to deal with it. The first step is to recognize that you are not alone. So many people have experienced family pressure in one form or another. It can be difficult to navigate, especially when it comes from the people we love the most. But remember that you are not the only one going through this, and that there are others who can relate to what you are going through. The second step is to communicate openly and honestly. Talk to your family members about how you feel and what you want. Be clear about your boundaries and what you are and are not willing to compromise on. Remember that it is okay to have different opinions and priorities, and that you are entitled to make your own choices. The third step is to seek out support from others. Talk to friends, mentors, or a therapist who can provide you with a different perspective and support you through this difficult time. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and make you feel good about yourself. The fourth step is to remember your own values and priorities. Do not let family pressure sway you from what you believe in or what you want for yourself. Stay true to your own goals and ambitions, and do not let anyone else dictate your path in life. And finally, remember that you have the power to make your own choices. You are in control of your own life, and you have the right to pursue your own dreams and aspirations. Do not let family pressure hold you back or make you feel like you are not capable of achieving your goals. In conclusion, my dear friends, family pressure can be difficult to deal with, but it is not insurmountable. By recognizing that you are not alone, communicating openly and honestly, seeking out support from others, remembering your own values and priorities, and remembering that you have the power to make your own choices, you can overcome it. You are strong, capable, and deserving of a life that is true to who you are. So go out there and pursue your dreams, and do not let anyone else hold you back.